Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to get the car out into the sun. We're going to do the rear bumper, side skirts, mirrors, and everything else, except for the front bumper. Stay tuned. Perfect. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Sit back, guys, relax and enjoy. Let's do it. Alrighty guys, we need to get all the masking tape and paper off. Hopefully it doesn't peel any of the paint. Nothing is actually like directly on the paint, it's all on the rubber, so we should be good. My masking job was really bad. I've got a lot of work ahead of me now. Look at that. It all got in behind. It's pretty bad. How bad's that? Tell you what, this blue tape that I used was pretty bad. Alright guys, got the car going. I'm going to park it over there. Try not to be directly under a tree. And we'll start working on bumpers. Got a lot of work to clean this up. Look at all that. And that's not going down because the window control is not connected, so it's not. I'm not going to force that because it'll probably peel off that edge. And stuffed up here, right there, and a little bit there. Maybe I could tape it up again, and while I'm doing the clear, I might just spray a little bit of extra clear there. When it comes time to wash it, as the pressure washer gets in there, that's going to flake. Look how dusty it got inside too. Hey guys, we've kind of got it out in the sun. It's shiny. It's not flat. Oh hey Az, look. Oh, I stopped on it. Oh well. Oh, that's how you open it. What an idiot. I've been putting the door handle back in. Well, that's good. I've been worried about scratching it up. Yeah. Let's wet this down and move everything in. And is that on black and white? Alrighty guys, we've got everything that we're going to paint today in here. Still needs a little bit of work, a bit of prep work and taping. Taping on this one mainly, then we'll actually have to hang these ones up because we need to get around them. Maybe same with these as well, we'll hang them up. But yeah, good places to hang them. Might just use some welding rod to hang them up. And yeah, I wanted to show you all the prep stuff. You've watched enough videos, if you have been watching, about the prep, and quite frankly that's probably boring now. So we'll start shooting some primer. So I've decided to hang the bumper because I can't get these edges because they're too low to the ground. So should be right to get the bottom edge. Needs a bit of a wipe again. We'll use a tack cloth, wipe that down. Then we'll shut the door, we'll mix some primer and we'll get into it. Hey guys, this has dried off for a while, but I was just out here looking at the car. I can't even look at it actually, and my sunnies broke this morning, so I can't actually literally look at it. It's bright. Yeah. Yeah, a quick little sand. I've got to put these on the opposite sides because I can't get to the seal side in here because of the angle. So I'll swap them over. Just have a quick look over all the parts, see how we're doing, and probably shoot another primer. Now with these, as you can see, they're hanging down, so I'm going to actually remove them. So, Alright guys, so I'm actually going to keep the car outside tonight. It's not supposed to get below 22 degrees tonight, so it's going to be an awful night, but we shouldn't get any like morning dew or anything like that. So leave that there, and hopefully we'll get this all painted today, and then we can put it onto the car tomorrow. And then it's just front bumper. I'll probably do the headlights too. I'll probably clean them up and do a clear coat on them. I don't know about this. Not sure about the black yet, but we still need to do the wheels. I'm going to do the wheels. I forgot to record putting the colour on. Putting the pearl in now. I've got to head off to work after this. So either when I get back, which will be late, but it will still be warm, I'll do the clear, or I'll do it tomorrow. Alrighty guys, I'm going to finish this episode here. Come back from work, so about 3 hours after I painted this. 4 hours after. Now this has just got the pearl on it, no clear, I'll do the clear tomorrow, so that'll be next episode on the Skyline. I won't say next episode because I could do something else. It's about 9 o'clock now, so definitely not getting the compressor going. It is Halloween night, so it's Thursday night. But yeah, car's outside tonight. The lowest temperature it's supposed to get is 6 AM tomorrow. It's supposed to be 20 degrees Celsius. So I'm happy that it's outside, it's fine. We shouldn't get any dew, which is good. That dew point of sunrise, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so when I get home from work, I'm going to get some clear onto it. And then get it out in the sun. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow. And then we'll chuck it on the car, bring the car in, and I'll keep working on the front bumper, jack up the car, we'll get the wheels off and we'll start on the wheels. That's what you got to look forward to. I've got the black over here. Well, that's not the same black, but I did black and I shot some pearl over it. And when I'm doing the clear on this, I'm going to shoot the black with some clear to see how black pearl looks, even though it's not the same black that I'll be using. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.